Imagine this, technology is so cool, it literally shapes money.
Sounds wild, right? But it's real and you can experience it.
The 22nd Technical Forum takes place on January 28th next year, 1:30 p.m. at the Estrell Hotel in Berlin.
And no, this isn't a snoozy slideshow. It is high energy talks about the real innovations of coin and metal technology.
New processes, new security features, new ideas. Tech that pushes the entire industry into the future.
And then comes another highlight, the get-together and pre-opening of the technical hall for all the visitors of the Technical Forum.
Where you can explore fascinating technology and reconnect with familiar faces and meet brand new contacts from across the industry.
Perfect for real conversation, future collaboration, and maybe a few "wow, I didn't know that" moments.
So, save the date.
Lock it in, January 28th, 1:30 p.m. Berlin. Be
Be
there.
there.